Welcome to Crafting with DW. Today we are going to be unboxing these new dolls I found at Walmart. They are Wild Hearts Crew dolls. They are from Mattel and they are for ages 6 and up. I was at Walmart this morning and I saw them and I was like, oh my god, they're so adorable. I want them, I want them. And so I finally convinced my husband to let me have them. So we're going to go ahead and go right into unboxing them. First, let's look at Cori Cruize. We have Cori Cruize. As we can see, she's all about her music. She's got on headphones. She's got a little Walkman. And on the back of the boxes, there's a little blurb or quote by each of the girls, which I really, really like. So let's go ahead and start opening them up. Okay, I don't see any tape at the top. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to open, which I like. And we have Cori Cruize. Alright, let's go ahead and get her out. And there's a little booklet that comes with her. Guess different things you can see about her. I'm using cutters to get her out. So first we have Cori Cruize. She's got on little teal color wedges. I love those. I'm also looking at her feet and I think she'll be able to wear some of the larger foot size dolls. Also, one of the things I noticed about her immediately is that she's got a different, thicker body type. And I absolutely love that these dolls are kind of body positive, especially since they're supposed to be teens. And they've got different body sizes and they've got different skin tones. And so I think that's absolutely beautiful, especially since I'm always, you know, promoting diversity with my girls at school. Also on the back of the box, I saw that there's supposed to be a sisterhood, which is really important to foster positive friendships as opposed to, you know, some of the fake stuff that catty teenage girls do to each other. Her outfit is a one piece. She's got on like a bodysuit. And she's wearing a little pink belt with it. She's got on a silver necklace and she's got silver earrings. Also, I love her hair. She's got it braided on the side, but it's the molded plastic and I really like it. It looks like it's braided. Okay, and I really, really like that. I love her hair. It's very curly. It's about 2 or 3 different shades of purple and kind of some pink in there. It looks really cool. It reminds me of some of my students who dye their hair often. So this is Cori Cruize. I really like her. Also, let's take a look at her Walkman. Definitely throwback to the 80s and 90s. So I really like her Walkman. And does it open? I think it opens. Oh, can I open this without breaking my fingernails? Let's see. Okay. It opens and there's a little cassette tape inside. Oh, that's just adorable. And the headphones actually swivel around a little bit. That is too cute. And I was made in the 80s, so I can definitely appreciate this. All right, thank you, Miss Cori Cruize. All right, now let's look at Jacy Masters. She is absolutely gorgeous. I love that she's got on roller skates. She's got on a Live Love skate shirt. Her hair is fabulous. Her makeup is done just, oh, she's, I can't even. And I love that she is thick. She is like, bam, here she is. She is Miss Lotta Body. So let's go ahead and get Jacy out. Jacy also comes with a little booklet so you can read all about her when you get your doll. And these dolls were $14.97 at Walmart, so I feel like they are very reasonably priced. Also, they have various points of articulation, which is really important to me in a doll, because I want to be able to pose them and take pictures of them. And they're comparable to a regular fashion doll size, so they'll probably fit a lot of the things I've already built for my dolls. All right, let's look at Miss Jacy. She is absolutely adorable. She's got on this pink skirt and it flares out. She's got on a little denim jacket with skates on it. It looks like there's a hamburger on the side because, yes, baby, you look like your mama feeds you. She is absolutely adorable in her earrings. She's got little hearts on her cheek. Her eyes are just like fire. It kind of makes me think that she's part cat or part feline. I love that. I love this red hair and this pink. She kind of reminds me of like a retro Jessica Rabbit. She's got on a silver necklace that says love, and she is thick. She feels good in my hands. She does indeed. And she's got on these adorable roller skates. They are so her. And it also looks like there's a wedge in the sneaker. So let's see, because I'm really curious to see what size feet they'll have. I know they'll be able to fit some of the shoes of the other dolls that I have, but I'm just curious which ones specifically. Oh, the bottom of the skate comes off so she can wear like regular shoes. That's adorable. And then you can put them back on her for skates. I like that. That's very functional, because I don't think you can like skate around all the time. Some people do it, but I don't think I can. She's also got a little red handbag, and she's got on a pink bracelet. She is just overall adorable. Jacy is a beautiful doll. Oh, look at her calves. She looks very strong. She's beautiful. I love the red lipstick also. And then she's got pink eyeshadow. And her eyebrows. I'm just looking at their eyebrows. Oh my goodness. The detail is superb. Okay, Jacy. Can't wait to play with you later. You and Miss Cori. Now let's look at Kenna Roswell. She looks so interesting to me. I would think she's probably one of those artsy types, which I absolutely love. And I love that all of these dolls seem to be very individually driven. You know, it's okay to be different and unique. All right, Kenna Roswell. We've got a little book on Kenna. Of course, hers has the camera as well as a spaceship on the front. I like that. I always tell my students that I'm not human, that I'm an alien. Not quite sure they believe me, but who cares? Okay, let's go ahead and get her free. I love these shoes. They remind me of Vans. They are so adorable. And Kenna's hair is blue and black. And I am absolutely loving her outfit. I love the suspenders. We've got a lot going on with this outfit. Okay, so she's got a camera. She's got on silver hoop earrings. I love this hat that she's wearing. I don't want to take it off of her yet, but it's got like a little safety pin and a little heart connected to it. It's like a little beret. Oh, and I was wondering if the straps were going to come down from the suspenders on her pants, and they do. I absolutely love this mesh top, even though she's got on what looks like a tank top underneath, because it keeps her in dress code, and that's extremely important to me. A lot of times the dolls aren't appropriately dressed, and I love that these dolls are still very fashionable, but well dressed. I love all the little designs on her jeans. It's kind of like graffiti and different signs, almost like she may have drawn on them herself. Her shoes kind of remind me of Vans, which I really, really like. I wear skateboard shoes myself, so she's adorable. I love her lipstick. It's kept very plain, but again, those eyes, their eyes are just amazing. They're almost otherworldly, and I love the way that the eye makeup is, and as well as her eyebrows and skin tone. I cannot wait to play with these. And again, I can't help but notice that yes, they are articulated, but they're not the traditional doll body style. And so I think it's really important if we're going to push for a more body positive type of doll. She is just adorable. I love them. Oh my goodness. I don't have the other two yet, but I will be searching for them until I find them. And these are the Wild Hearts dolls, folks. So I'm going back and I'm looking at these dolls some more, and I'm absolutely loving them. Jacy has dimples, guys. Get a good look at them. Absolutely adorable. Oh my goodness, she is straight fire. And I actually held her up next to a curvy Barbie, and she is larger than the curvy Barbie, guys. It's absolutely amazing. And she's got a belly button and abs. Oh yes, fit girl is fit. I love it. Absolutely love it. Also, I love the star on Cori's cheek. She is just, I love her skin tone. I absolutely love her skin tone. And even though I would cite my students for dress code about this one piece, I also like this jacket that has her initials on it, CC. And so if she were a student in my class, I would probably call her CC because her name is Cori Cruize. I love the little dots underneath the eye. And again, look at those eyebrows. She's got like the arch at the end. It is absolutely beautiful, just the detail of these dolls. And then lastly, of course, we have Kenna. And she's got a little mole on the side of her face. And so I love the little beauty mark. I didn't see it before. And so, yeah, I guess that's my after filming rant. These are so cute. I cannot wait to play with them. But because they are posable and I'm looking at them, their heads are slightly larger than a regular fashion doll. But I guess that's the popular trend currently. But I'm wondering if any of these bodies would be good for a head transplant. So Dr. Plastic Stein might be hard at work soon if I can find some different skin tones to match these. But Mattel, overall, great job. Great job with these dolls. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't seen our previous videos, go ahead and check those out. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.